Oh, extreme close up. Whoa. Are those your footsies?
You look like a boy.
You're not a little baby no more. You're a little boy. Can you say hi? Oh, good job.
Good job. Can you say hi with your voice? Say hi. Say hi. You're such a big boy with your haircut. You got a haircut.
Whoa. Look at your tootsie. Milo, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?